Hello, it is now Thursday, which is our day for art. We're going to look at our same book, The Story About Pink. And today we're going to notice that the illustrator used crayons or colored pencils to make some very colorful pictures. I want you to especially note a sunset. We know sunsets are beautiful. Watch this sunset. Here we get started with a little bit of the story. I'll move out of the way.
Each morning, as the sun rose from the east, Ping and his mother and his father, and sisters and brothers and aunts and uncles, and his 42 cousins, all marched one by one down a little bridge to the shore of the Yangtze River. All day they would hunt for snails and little fishes and other pleasant things to eat. But in the evening, as the sun set in the west, la 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 lay would call the master of the boat.
Please take a close look at this sunset picture that comes at the end of the day. Notice how the crayons are all coming out in the rays. What color is that? You're right, yellow. You can see some of the yellow on the side. Now look in the water. We know this is the Yangtze River. And look how the sunset was made on the water. There's lots of bright color here. Is it all yellow like this? No, but you see some yellow. What other color do you see? Red, lots of red also. Think about the sunsets you might see tonight. I want you to look at the colors. Here is where Ping is coming in late, and I want you to look. He's coming late as the sun sets. Let's look at these colors that we see in the sky. Do you see the red of the sunset? What other color do you see? Yellow, yellow shining on the ground. What other color seems like it's over here that we often see in sunsets? A little bit of purple. And you can see those different colors in the sunset if you look in the sky tonight. Now look at this picture. I'm hiding over here with Ping. You can see a little bit of yellow shining down on the sun. The sky is getting gray, but where the sun is setting, there's still some red. That makes it very beautiful. Can you see in this picture how the artist made this sun that's about to set? It was more than one color. I do see red, I do see yellow, and even orange. And then he left white around it and colored some yellow here. There's pink over here, and the yellow is shining from the sun right on the water. I think that's pretty cool. Even the purple is down there. The crayons or colored pencils that were used are just lightly used with many different colors. I have a very special job to do to make a very beautiful picture of a sunset. You'll have to think about the pictures that we saw today. Think really hard about them, and also think about the sunset that you're going to see tonight. If you didn't go out tonight, try to go out about 7 o'clock, maybe between 7 and 7:20 p.m. Ask a grown-up if you can look outside. Maybe even take your crayons and the paper I'm going to show you and sketch the sunset that you see at your house. This is the paper you're going to need that's in your red folder. You can see it here, 8/13, which is for Thursday, August 13th. It's your art class with Ping. Draw with crayons like the illustrator, The Story About Ping did, and work to make a sunset picture, maybe even on some water or whatever is in your backyard. Note the colors that we looked at and go outside to see the sunset at your house. And when you're finished, put it in the red folder so that you will be able to turn it into me for a very good grade. Okay, that's it for today. Have fun with your art project and your new crayons.